Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the future of rugged technology with the HOTWAV R6 Ultra, the game changer in rugged tablets. Picture this: a 10.4-inch 2K display that's not only scratch-resistant with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 but also meets the military standard of MIL STD 810H, IP68, and IP69K certified. This is the HOTWAV R6 Ultra, the epitome of durability. Designed for the bold, the adventurous, and the hardworking, the R6 Ultra is your rugged companion in 2023. Feast your eyes on the 10.4-inch 2K FHD plus ultra-large display, an absolute visual delight. Whether you're working on reports, watching videos, or diving into your favorite games, the R6 Ultra's display offers unparalleled clarity and vibrant colors. And guess what? With a brightness of 450 nit, you can read messages clearly even under the sun. Say goodbye to squinting. Powering this beast is a combination of 16GB RAM, 8GB virtual, and a whopping 256GB storage. The MT6771 octa-core processor ensures seamless multitasking, gaming, and downloading. Say hello to the future with Android 13. But what about power? Fear not. The R6 Ultra comes with a massive 15,600 mAh battery, supporting 900 hours of standby, 30 hours of video, and 60 hours of talk time. And if that's not enough, the power-saving mode and OTG reverse charging have got your back. Charge your phone on the go, anytime, anywhere. Need a tablet that can handle extreme environments? The R6 Ultra is certified for temperatures from -40 to 75, making it your ultimate outdoor companion. Plus, with an underwater mode, capture those unforgettable moments even beneath the surface. Document your adventures with the 16 megapixels rear camera or take stunning selfies with the 16 megapixels front camera, complete with AI beauty for that perfect shot. Worried about getting lost? Fear not. The R6 Ultra comes equipped with GPS plus GLONASS plus Beidou plus Galileo, ensuring high-precision navigation wherever you are. Your trusty partner in all your outdoor endeavors. So, whether you're a professional, a student, or a gaming enthusiast, the HOTWAV R6 Ultra is crafted for you. Elevate your rugged experience, embrace the future, and get your hands on the best rugged tablet of 2023. Don't miss out on the revolution. Seize the moment and make the R6 Ultra yours. Subscribe, like, and hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more groundbreaking tech. Until next time, stay rugged, stay connected.